Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rock fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
Hello. What is going on? Oh my God, we already got people in the chat. Tim Shea, hey Teddy, what's going on, guys? Salmo Fudd. Oh man, lot of things here in Eco Bella. Guys, it has been wild. I was away for almost a week, a little bit more than a week. I am back. Everything is great. Things are progressing and things have progressed a lot while I was gone, especially Bitcoin. I do want to talk about Bitcoin because, as you guys know, we have charted levels on Bitcoin that have been untouched for ages. So we have to check out what's happening with the chart. And we're going to go right into this now. Why, Teddy? Why are you so excited about Bitcoin? Because the two, literally the two 6667, right? 26667 was literally tested, broken, huge breakout, all the way up, guys. Literally in the course of 2 days, from 26667, where we were before I left, right? In the course of 2 days, we literally broke leaps and bounds. Why did this all happen? Red Sox, what's going on, buddy? We're talking about Bitcoin. Why did this all happen? What is happening with freaking Bitcoin? And why am I saying we need to look at it? Guys, really two things. We are now at a point where CEOs that chat on Bitcoin that were very unhappy with Bitcoin are now going back on their word and investing more into Bitcoin. We got BlackRock CEO that, in the past was like, hey, this is not it. And now the CEO is like, hey, actually, I didn't check if it's the same CEO. I'm not sure if the CEO has switched since the initial statement, but a few years ago, they would never have done this. Now we have big money coming in offering Bitcoin ETFs, right? Having the ability to electronically trade it and registering that they're going to be the ones providing that trading opportunity. So it definitely changes the game because now we're getting that established floor. We've held the floor, right? Just like any other shitcoin, we've been holding the floor. I know Bitcoin's not a shitcoin. I'm just using it as an example. We've been holding the floor for quite some time. Now big money came in, right? BlackRock, and boom, that broke the 26667 level. We stayed above 29769, which is that big gray area. You guys always question me, but I said, hey, we may not see anything till we break 29769, and it finally happened. Now everyone's question is, where does it go from here? Does this um now mean the bull runs in? What's going to happen? But guys, I have to be realistic with you. As much as I want to say the bull run is in, I think we're getting to the point where Bitcoin is starting to establish itself as a commodity. I think even when these big monies come in, all they're going to do is raise the floor of where Bitcoin is going to be traded at. Right now we're at 30,000. Okay, fine, we dip, but I think the times of seeing 20,000 again are gone. Oh my God, I love it. I love Anandya Raspati. What's going on? We got the entire crew in here. We got Red Sox, Selmo, Eco Bella, Anandya. What's going on? How's Indonesia? How's the baby? How are things going? I'm just quite excited about what's happening with Bitcoin and really the levels that we have charted months and months ago, and where we need to look forward to as we go. So, as with anything, two big, strong rocket ships going up. We're going to have some retracement. We did see some retracement. Now, what's going to be important is if we see this retracement dip below the 29769. I think it could happen. It may linger around this support level. I think this is a well established support level. It's right around that 30,000 mark. People love, 30,000 Bitcoin. This is like the Teddy. I bought Bitcoin when it went down from 66,000 and I bought it at 30,000. They felt like it was a good level of support. A lot of people did buy in. So I do expect it to hold this level for quite some time before another big institution comes in whoever it may be, whether it's a bank, a government entity, someone that's going to offer Bitcoin again. And when that happens, I do believe we're going to be looking at that big and great opportunity where BTC does break 32,914. 32,914 being literally the last time 32,914 was, I think it was support. Oh, I just changed something. Change it back. 32,914 was support back in January of 22. So a little over a year and a half ago, we bounced from this level and we went up to 48,000, right? In the course of 4 months. 4 months, 30,000 to 48,000. So this is why I'm saying the 32,914 level is a good level, because if we break 32,914, in my eyes at that point, I would start going, okay, Bitcoin is at this point of holding this support and going to continue to go up. How high up? This is where we got Fibonacci crazy, and we start saying, 150K, 200K, and we're talking, 5-10 years down the line, right? Is it plausible? I think if we reestablish that 32,914, it definitely signifies itself as a good contender for cryptocurrency. And everything follows Big Daddy Bitcoin. So yeah, love Bitcoin. Continue watching it, guys. It's going to be very, very important as we go throughout. So Teddy, you see 100K BTC in the crypto future. I see 100K. I see 150K, and I think I've seen 240K as well with the Fibonacci retracement. All very agreeable values that I could see over the course of time if big institutions come in, and we have a lot to go, right? We're talking about compared to the stock exchange, we're only at 1.17 trillion, guys. Like nothing there's no big money in crypto yet, right? We're waiting for that big money to come in. What the bull run was here. We've seen this at 2 trillion. We've seen this at 4 trillion, right? Depending on whether numbers are fibbed by whoever's reporting, we have seen a lot of change depending on global crypto market cap on what the price is for Ethereum and Bitcoin. We know Ethereum can hit 4,000, which is almost a little over a 2x at its current state if it reached its all-time high. We look at Bitcoin, right? If it reaches its all-time high, it's also a little over 2x, but it's much more harder to acquire. So in my eyes, I say, hey, you have to look at Bitcoin. I know I came back from a 10-day break. Stick with me here. We're going to have to, yeah, what's going on? What's going on, SK? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Yo, SK, John Crispalla from Pando, Pete, doing great things. Like I've literally been talking to these guys even while I was away. Oh, I'm in the house. My crypto Pat William. Nice to see you, buddy. Dude, we got all the goons in. We got all the goons in. And I freaking love it, because when I saw SK and John coming together, they're like, hey, Teddy, we've been degenning in the DeFi space. We're going to look at futures. Dude, these guys educated me, especially John. Shout out to John. Educated both SK and I very well. That now we're doing some futures tradings if available when we're in regions that we can trade at. So I'm not condoning anything. Don't do anything crazy. If you have ways to do futures, I think definitely there's some money in there, but it's also very easy to get to rug pull yourself. It's not true rug pull, but it's a true liquidation. So I've been learning about that. I do want to educate some viewers as well. I'm looking into making more and more content. I guess the content I'm dishing out, my last editor was not happy with, so I'm gonna try the guy that's been doing my shorts and stuff. I'm gonna try sitting with him and getting some content out, because I had so much ordinals content recorded, and unfortunately the guy just didn't see it as valuable or effective in the YouTube algorithm to grow my channel even more. So definitely want to continue looking more into the Bitcoin BRC20 blockchain, because I think when the time comes, when this institutional money comes in, right? We're talking 2 trillion. The day we see 2 trillion, I think we're gonna be looking and talking about BTC in a different manner. Now, what would be sad is if we see 2 trillion and BTC remains at 30,000. There is a lot of prediction now that BTC's all-time high won't be achievable. Again, depending on which analysts you talk to, but just with sheer volume alone and knowing what's happening, um, when the last time the global crypto market cap went up, we know BTC's price is going to fluctuate with it as well. So I'm all in for BRC20. Yeah, dude, like I feel like BRC20 is a good thing. It may not work with the YouTube algorithm, but I will make that sacrifice. We're going to learn about ordinals together. I can already tell you wallets I already like. Xverse, big fan of Xverse. You can both do the desktop version and the version on your phone. And what's cool about Xverse is the way BRC20, I know I may be speaking crazy to you guys right now, but Bitcoin, right, which did not have a way to deploy Solidity contracts or a type of NFT or anything smart contract related, Ordinals gave them that opportunity. So this Ordinals company came together and they were like, hey, we can label the blocks. If we label the blocks, we can keep track of all the wallets that use mint or trade transfer different tokens that aren't Bitcoin, because we're able to label the blocks. So the Ordinals guys got together and they realized, hey, we also need to change the type of wallet that works with your Bitcoin wallet. So you're going to have a Bitcoin address and you're going to have something called an Ordinals address, right? And you need to know when minting, buying tokens, which address you're going to be sending it to. At no point do you actually use your Bitcoin address when doing ordinals. You always do your ordinals address, but you can make purchases with the Bitcoin to go mint stuff to your ordinals wallet. So it's definitely quite interesting space. I can't wait for it. Can't wait to do some 200x futures, dude. I did 200x futures. Like I got into it heavy. You know, I was traveling and all that. So I'm like, oh, dude, I'm gonna do futures all day. And I got myself freaking uh freaking liquidated. So John Crispala brought me back to reality. I'm gonna stay, going with the easy 20% gains that we know that we can get. As you guys know, I share everything. Um, if you ever need to contact me outside Telegram, Twitter, both of those work. I respond to almost everybody. I caught back up with almost all my messages now. There was a long time where I wasn't responding, but now I'm all caught up again. So, and if I truly don't respond, call me out here. Sometimes you go into a spam thing and I have to go find you in order to message back. So, but I do try to stay up to date with all the goons, because we just love to talk and it's always fun, especially being in crypto, especially in a world where you have so many people that don't understand crypto, and it's hard to find people like us. It's hard to find goons like us. Like, where else are you gonna look? It's a very niche. It truly is a niche, and I understand there's money in the space, but I think what we're doing, we're freaking pioneers in this space, guys. So Pepe, I do want to talk about Pepe, and one thing, if you guys were watching me last 2 weeks ago, I was saying, hey, Pepe and Bitcoin are correlated. They're going to be quite important when you're thinking about trading Pepe. And then what happened to Pepe? Gigantic rocket ship up with that Bitcoin news. And it's been great. So we've had this level for quite some time. This is the 5 zeros 1 5, and literally at 5 zeros 1 5. Yeah, we dipped a little, but I think we're gonna stay around this level. We may have some pullback, but as I said, as that crypto institutional money comes in, I think Pepe is gonna follow that Bitcoin chart, because look, right? I'm gonna zoom out here too. It's that rocket ship up, and now we're going sideways, and now go back to Pepe, right? Rocket ship up, and now we're going sideways. It's literally like, hey, is this the same chart, Teddy? What's going on? And that's very good. So the other thing I did talk about futures. The reason, Cody Core, is this the real Cody Core? What's going on with Bitcoin Cash, bro? Dude, Bitcoin Cash. I have so many things I'm trying to understand with Bitcoin Cash, but literally, Teddy, you're ahead of the curve. The curve. Share more about BRC20 content in coming days. Absolutely, dude. I mean, the last guy, to be honest, I was quite disappointed because I thought he could actually get me some views, and he recommended great content and he did a good job, but he just didn't see. Basically it was a delay on my side as well. I was on vacation. I wasn't dishing out more content, and he just wanted specific type of content that's going to help push me in the crypto algorithm. So I understand um his ups, he's upset. But we're gonna kind of change it up. I'm gonna go with Nikita, the guy that's been doing the shorts, and he even has some ideas as well with the content that I want to put out. And he's gonna help bring that to a reality. So I really am hoping that these changes that I'm doing for the channel are gonna pan out, and you guys are gonna see that, hey, we're making smart, informed decisions. It's not the same repetitive, hey, we're always talking about freaking Bitcoin and Ethereum every day. I also want to bring in some content that's like, hey, how do I do this? How have you looked at this? Where do I see this going? What are the next 20 degen coins that I'm looking at? Doesn't necessarily mean I'm buying them, but I am looking at them, right? And you guys know me, I'm a true degen. You've seen my wallets and what's happened. So, Teddy, I'm not gonna forgive you for Pepe takeoff, bro. I literally said it on stream before I left, and I was like, dude, this is gonna happen. Teddy is the most awesome. Cody Core, you're more awesome, bro. You're literally, you guys are in. What is your price projection on Pepe in relation to Bitcoin? In relation to Bitcoin, if BTC, gets to 32, I do believe we're going to see Pepe back at 2139, which is close to a 20-30% increase, right? 60%? No, 40%. 40% increase. So that's not bad. That's not bad. And that puts Bitcoin right at, let me see here. So if I see Bitcoin going from this level and breaking freaking 32,000, that's 7% increase. That's sad because right now, because I'm saying this is a commodity, till more big money comes in, all we're doing is holding this floor, and every institution is just going to be holding that floor. This is what this is going to turn into. It's just like gold. Everyone that hoards gold, they're holding the floor of gold. And the scarcer it is to buy, the more the price goes up, but it tends to keep that level for many, many moons. I'm mowing my lawn on my zero turn, a little bit tipsy. Dude, what are you drinking, bro? What are you drinking? Hit that like button, please, please hit that like button. But if not, dude, Crow, I also called, right? I recharted Crow while we were away from there, and it did bounce up. But now the question is it gonna go past this? And I'm still not feeling it, guys. Like, there is still no good news coming in for Crow. Like, they need to do some monster things in order to change this around. And even if it went up to like Red Sox, we're talking 38 cents. That's like maximum bull run, and we're at 6 now. So make some smart decisions there, hopefully. A few of you guys pointed out the Bone and Shiba. I'm like, dude, freaking BTC pumped. So this makes sense. And I forget who was a Cup and Handle. Get the heck out of here. On the day, Cup and Handle. This is not looking any better than it did before. So we have 200 crossing EMA 50 on a downtrend. Also does not seem like good news. So definitely none of these indicators appear like Shiba Inu's ecosystem is gonna continue. Cody Core, new member. Oh my god. You're killing me. I love it. I love it. Cody Core, welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh man, the best way to support the channel, become a member of the channel. I don't try and push memberships, but I keep being told by the guys that I need to start pushing memberships. So I need to, add that to my pitch or whatever. But dude, Cody Core, welcome, welcome, welcome. It is a great place. You're gonna be well appreciated, and nothing really changes other than you get a cool badge. I think you got a monkey. Welcome to the Goons. Near Protocol is a partnership with Alibaba Services. Made it run wild. Chart was so bullish. Dude, I love you too, dude. You don't even know. I love everybody. I love all the Goons. I love all the Goons. Uh, Without you guys, we wouldn't even be here. It's literally wild. I think about it daily. Triple G's indeed. Triple G's indeed. And I can't wait till everything is out for the NFTs and you guys see where the NFT vision's going. It's really gonna be the change that I want to see in my YouTube channel. Let me see. What was I saying? So Crow, yeah, we talked about Crow. XRP, nothing really happened with XRP while I was gone. I would say straight sideways. Even with the BTC pump, didn't really pump. But I think we are gonna see that change as more and more things happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum's price. I think eventually this SEC, the lawsuit, all this has to settle out. Whether they come to a mutual agreement or one side wins over the other, something's going to happen to this price. A lot of people perceive, especially after the Hinman emails, guys. By the way, if you didn't see the Hinman email stream, go check out the Hinman email stream because that is very important, right? They were already in Ethereum and Bitcoin, already talking to Vitalik, already talking to the Ethereum Foundation. Ethereum Foundation did it right. We have a meeting with them. So they were anti XRP because they didn't know about it early. They didn't get in. They didn't know, So I feel like William really started this, and Gary Gensler is still pursuing it, which is idiotic in my eyes. But hey, we have to let this pan out and really showcase the idiots that exist. So we'll see, and I know, you may not like the word idiots, but you start to wonder, like, what is the actual meaning on what's happening here, and if there's a bigger narrative that's going to be pushed, and if this guy, the reason he's so anti-crypto is because he realizes he can't control it, being the blockchain expert he is. And if you guys are wondering who I'm talking about, we're talking about Gary Gensler, the guy, the man, the person that is continuing to pursue the lawsuit with the XRP. So quite interesting. I think we will continue to see this chart go relatively sideways, which we've seen it do over time. Few positive news here and there have pumped the price. But if you're a big XRP fan, that's what you're betting on, and that's what it'll come down to. Pepe, please, Pepe, please. Dude, I actually do feel like it's gonna be the support. I mean, the resistance here. Resistance turned to support. H bar will ruin them all. Are you an H bar guy? You talking about Mr. Burns? Yeah, dude. Goon Gary Gensler, the triple G's. Selmofa, don't even do this to me. Don't even do this to me right now. You're freaking killing me. Teddy, he's the triple G's, man. He's the goon Gary Gensler. He looks so goonish. Look at him. SEC sought freeze order despite no evidence that Binance was moving U.S. customer funds. Did you guys see that FTX team says the exchange owed customers $8.7 billion? I saw some crazy news from Watcher Guru saying they recovered like $7 billion of assets. I'm like, wait, what? You didn't know about the 7 billion before? Where is this money coming from? Let me see if I can find that. I wonder if CoinDesk did an article about that. Let me see. FTX, yeah. Did they actually say Bitcoin cash price jumps on 1 year high fueled by spiking social interest? Hong Kong, yeah, this is what helped Bitcoin's price continue to rally, but now we may see some retracement, which we did see the last couple of days from the initial 2 rocket ships. But No, I don't see it here. I'm gonna check Watcher Guru 1 second here, boys. Yep. Watcher Guru, Watcher Guru. Dun, 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 dun. XRP price prediction. I have a theory. They're gonna say XRP price prediction for June and 2023, and there is no price prediction. They won't even say it. They're gonna say it could either go good or it could go bad. Let's see. The Securities Exchange. All right, let's see. Yeah, it's been going on. Okay, trading at 47 cents. So stating the obvious. XRP's down. Yep, stating the obvious. Cryptocurrency experts at Changely predicted the price of XRP for June end of 2023. According to the analyst, XRP is forecast to reach a minimum of 51 and a maximum of 55. The average price of XRP is expected to be 53. So it's not even them. It's they went to freaking Changely. Okay, so maybe they did predict it, guys. I was wrong. However, the price can greatly vary depending on the outcome of the. Yeah, see, get out of here. Get out of here. So here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, yeah, but this could be wrong. We will have to wait and see. And they're trying to make it seem like 51 and 53 for end of June is achievable. Let's see. Let's go back. So it's 51 and 53 achievable. So they're seeing high 53 right there and 51 as the low for end of June, which we have like 4 days left, 5 days left, 4 days left. Maybe. Pump it up, Gary. Pump it up, man. A maximum of 55, dude. That's literally past. Oh, that's I guess that's still in the gray area because these were such quick candles for me. Oh, Teddy's man, Dave D, what's going on? Mo, yeah. No, I'm just been relaxing, guys. I've been taking it pretty easy, especially the last few days, and now I want to get back into the grind of YouTubing. It's definitely well missed. I always think about different things that can help further what's going on in crypto and how I can be a part of it and continue to make smart, educated guesses. So we're growing our own personal wealth alongside channel growth as well. So this is definitely something I continue to find ways. But what scares me a lot is I see a lot of these channels that have like YouTube blocked me and I don't know why, or YouTube banned me and I don't know why, or I just got banned from TikTok and I don't know why. And that's kind of scary, dude, because this can all end just like that. One wrong ban, one wrong segment, and that's it. I'm out. So I'm trying to establish that before any of that BS comes in. So we made it this far. We're gonna keep going. That's all I can say. Oh man. All right. So let's see. CoinDesk. Anything good today? Let's see. Today, Demis founder now expects deplatforming from Apple. What? That's in-app purchase guidelines because they take 30%. Yeah, that's why. Bitcoin holds above 30K as investors await historically strong July options expiry. Yeah, maybe. How's your baby girl doing? Dude, my baby girl's doing great. She is all over the place, always energetic, always trying to do something every day. Every day is a new day with her. Are we getting any momentum on the token Trump? No, we're not getting any momentum on the token Trump, dude. I can answer that question without even looking at the chart. Let's see. Not even. Let's see if I was right. Are we getting momentum? And you said 0xC8. Let's see. Get out of here. 70% up. Well, what's the reason? 60K in liquidity. No, there's no one. This is fake. This is gonna dump after. I can't see it coming back from this unless you know something that I don't. And knowing that this is a Coochie Boy thing, now it makes me want to buy. So now I hate you even more. No, I'm just kidding. Dang it. This went up 70%. What the heck? This is the one, right? Coochie Boy? Coochie Boy. I was wrong yet again, Coochie boy. Another, yeah, but its RSI is pegged at 100. I want to buy stacks. Should I stack? No, you should not stack. Don't stack, buddy. What are you trying to stack? God, what is this guy? Is it stacks or is it stack? Is it stack OS? What are you trying to buy, Red Sox? What is this? That's it, bro. That was it. Okay, yeah. No, if this is it. RSI pegged at 100, unless you know something I don't. What do you think? Do they have a marketing campaign that's coming back? STX. Okay, let's see. STX. Sector. Stacks. BUSD 11 months ago. 7.15. Oh man, this chart don't look so good in Red Sox. Is it actually being traded? No, it's not. 22K off H bar. If it deleted a zero, it deleted a zero a couple months ago and dumped on our heads. Yeah. I remember this. I remember this Trump's chart, Coochie boy. All right, Red Sox. You need to send me this somehow. Tell me the website somehow. Stacks Finance, SDX Finance, Stacks USDT 22K. There's 22K and 4 days ago. 53 cents. Is this the one? Red Sox is gonna make it big, Teddy. You're gonna see. This red candle means nothing to him. He's gonna buy it all back. He's gonna buy it all back. Wait, it tells you team/contract wallet. Oh, that's cool. 22K of H bar. What the heck? Where are you seeing H bar? And what price do you believe it's gonna get to? Wait, what the heck? Where can I buy H bar, man? Hedera, I want to buy you. Stacks.co. Okay. Let me get there. Stacks.co. Okay. A Bitcoin layer for smart contracts. Wait, what the hell? Is this just another ordinals? Bitcoin NFTs. Are these guys just copying ordinals? Yeah, this is just ordinals. There's no way. I don't believe this. Yeah, so this is just another thing. They do their own discover apps, find a wallet, browse NFTs. Yeah, so they're doing their same thing. They must label them a different way, and you can do the same thing in their ecosystem, just like ordinals. Ordinals the first though. So are you gonna go with the first, or you're gonna buy 1K of H bar? God damn. I wasn't to buy ledger stacks. Not sure with the recent news about seed phrase. Dude, I have a ledger as well, and with all the news coming out with the encryption and recovery, and I'm like, I don't think I want to do ledger as well. So I didn't even continue opening it. So I'm still using a decent wallet. That's the one I have. 1 billion market cap. Yeah, I can see why it's 1 billion market cap. It's on freaking it's on Bitcoin. It's helping Bitcoin out. Wait, where do I find a chart though? Is there a chart? Learning resources? How are you buying this, Red Sox? Tell us how you're buying this. Educate us, buddy. Dude, H bar. Let me see if I can find it on CryptoCap. No, Binance, Hedera, USDT. Hedera USDT, H bar. Yeah, I like this. All right, so I know people go crazy with H bar because look where it was. Look where it was, Teddy. 58 cents at the peak, Teddy. That's a 10x, Teddy. Imagine a 10x at this level. Dude, we're literally at the bottom that all this feels. Hey, 200 crossing over MA50 on the downtrend. I need to look up Golden Cross and Death Cross. 1 second here, boys. Golden Cross versus Death Cross. Let me see. 200 going sideways while 50 is moving up. Is the Golden Cross. Death Cross is 200 crosses while 50 is going on that downtrend. All right, so here it is. So this is Death Cross, which is the 200-day moving average crosses while the 50-day moving average is on a downtrend, right? So here's H bar, where we got the 200 moving day average, which is the 50 moving day average on a downtrend, which in theory, this is a death cross sign, which in the next few days means this should go down. But at the same time, Shiba Inu shows the same death cross as well. So is it done? And this is the retracement, or is there more to go? Previous times we've seen the death cross, which is here. Is this 200? MA 200, yep, crossing MA 50 on a downtrend. It was bad. Last time we saw a death cross in Shiba Inu, real bad, right? So I don't know. H bar got to drop now. Okay, buddy. Thank you, Teddy. Check coin market cap around 40. Okay. Let me check coin market cap. STX. Stacks. I think this is the one. Oh wow, 73 cents, 2 point. Oh yeah. Yeah, so how do I buy this? I can buy this on Binance. Okay. Coinbase exchange. Wait, what? Can I buy stacks on Coinbase? I have never seen. Dude, I mean, look at Coinbase volume on that versus others. Dude, I would totally buy stacks on Coinbase. I mean, it's helping the Bitcoin. Stacks. How much market cap? Volume. Oh, wow. The volume's up a lot. Whoa, this is up a lot, actually. Oh, no, that's because I did the all chart. Okay. I see. So 7 days, it's up 20%. It's pretty decent. Pretty decent. 73. We've seen a high of 87. Dude, I may buy this, dude. Not financial advice. Thank you, Red Sox. Thank you for educating us goons, buddy. Ledger is still safe. You have to choose to have your seed password into 3 different holders, but you have to opt in to allow it. Oh, okay. So now it's an opt-in thing. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. But with H bar, with that death cross showing, guys, I'm not sure. Is 49 cents a good time? And I can buy H bar on Coinbase too. Maybe I'll just 50-50 it. Get some H bar and get some freaking stacks on Coinbase or something. Okay, I'm about to stack stacks. Yeah, I think it's a safe bet. If to DCA into it, acquire some now. Not everything, Red Sox. Don't ape in. Red Sox, don't ape in. But maybe you move a little bit in and find ways to DCA in if it goes below your point. If not, ape in harder. I need cash now. When wacky NFT rewards, dude. They keep telling me about a dashboard. I went into their Telegram chat and they were like, "Oh, Teddy, there's gonna be a dashboard and it's gonna change the world. You're gonna get your physical NFTs, Teddy. Your physical NFT comic book coming, Teddy." They said. And I said, "All right, buddy. I'm still here waiting. I still got nothing." My boy's got urban. He can't steer me wrong. Oh my god. All right, guys. That's it. I am out for today. I am back yet again tomorrow, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. You know where to catch me. You know what it is. I will see you then. Lot of changes I'm working on. I'm gonna get content out. I'm gonna get content out. I'm gonna start. You're gonna start seeing changes. It's gonna be weird. I may not get views initially, but I want to build a good base of getting educational stuff, especially for the goons. I keep um, telling myself it's good content, but maybe it's not. So I'm gonna use some of it, re-record, and try to get meaningful content. Change up the editor. Use Nikita again because I like the way he's been doing the shorts. I'm getting good traction there, even on TikTok. I'm now on Rumble. You guys can find me everywhere. Teddy Ganja, come follow me, give me a like. I'll appreciate it. But guys, goodbye. Stay safe, and remember, don't be a hero. Just don't do.
Don't get wrapped up. Yeah, yeah. 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 Get informed, get